John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Ayivor. Ayivor's been trading with us from the 5th of February 2021 up until the present day of review, the 19th of March 2021. Ayivor's done very well, maintaining a daily range gain of 0.23%, a monthly drawdown of 3.22%, which is very good, and achieved 10%. Ayivor has been with us for just over a calendar month and again achieved 10%, another trader. Looking at the advanced statistics, we've had 151 trades in total. Looking at the profitability factor as well, Ayivor's had 101 trades out of 151 successful, which represents 67%, and lost 50 out of 151, which gives a 33% loss rate. So 67 to 33 is not bad at all, just above average, and that's very good. So looking at this account, we can see the best trade to date was on the 9th of March for 114.15, and the worst was for 198.80. Looking at the monthly gains in February and March of the start date, Ayivor's maintained 4.08% gain, and in March 6.34% gain. So that's very good. Looking at some of the statistics in terms of trades taken, we can see Ayivor has been trading with 0.10%, very consistent, a few losses, but significantly gains overall. So this is a lot of discipline and consistency. As we can see, the lot sizes are varying and changing, diversifying and the currency pairs, and you can see consistently trading the pound US dollar. So this is very good, just trading one pair. And again, just as we go on. So what makes Ayivor very unique is quite a, I'll say quite dominates quite the trader dominating US dollar pairs. So I'm going to go onto the summary and see the pairs that this trader is more consistent with. So this trader Ayivor has been trading various pairs like the Australian dollar Swiss franc, Euro USD, pound Swiss franc, pound NZD, pound US dollar, New Zealand dollar CAD, US dollar CAD, and US dollar yen. And out of all these pairs traded, Ayiv was much more successful trading the pound US dollar pair, followed by the euro US dollar. And if we look at the other stats like the daily run, you can see the days of the week, mainly more losing trades on a Monday and on a Friday. But midweek, Ayivor's much more consistent. The biggest gains as well, which is very funny, comes on a Friday. 68% winning trades on a Friday on average, looking at the total assessment of the whole account over the period of time. The risk of ruin, as you can see the less lot sizes. These are statistics tracking the draw in relative point to the drawdown. Looking at duration as well of trades, as we can see, the hours represented by dots bullish and the red dots, which were the losing trades. So Ayivor's done very well, and there's nothing much I can say about this trader. But what I would like to say and recommend that this trader's had a total of 151 trades, and looking at the pairs traded, it's only it's not the pairs that Ayivor has lost on the US dollar CAD, US dollar yen, and pound Swiss franc. In terms of what's lost, it's not bad because significantly we're more dominant on the winning side. So clearly this is good risk management, which is very good. Ayivor's been preserving the balance, which is good as well. So we can say discipline and consistency is actually present with this trader's strategy. I can only say stick to pairs that you're very confident in and enjoy your trading. I cannot really say a lot here apart from keep doing what you're doing. It's not a rush, it's not a marathon. And if you're disciplined and consistent, you will definitely maintain the results you're getting. So just a few tips I can put in here. I can say, well, when you're trading, make sure you're in the right mindset to trade. Make sure you're not chasing the market, gambling, chasing losses. Make sure you've identified the key events. You looked at the fundamental Forex calendar for the week. Then you're looking at the market structure, price action, candlestick patterns, determine your entry, your exit, and how much of your capital you're willing to risk. And just try and maintain maybe a low risk, high reward, or something like a 2 to 1. And the success will speak for itself. So, very well done, Ayivor. I look forward to reviewing your account in the future, and I wish you all the best.